So we're going to go ahead and show you how to add a SIM card into Airstrike Ag. So we're going to first sign in. We go there, we put in our passwords. So I'm going to put in an account I have. Up, and we log in. You need to register your devices. So if you don't have registered devices, you still have to add some. You can go to registered devices here and then add devices. So first things first, we add a drone. I've added one, so you click add, and then you can use the scan here. So we'll select the drone we have, and then you scan your serial number. So maybe we have this serial number here, and then we click register and we have it. Once that's added here, you can see our serial number and you can see that registration. Then we need to add a SIM card for that drone. If they were installed in the drone when they came, there's a barcode on the side of the drone that you can scan, and it says ICCID, and then you scan that. So we're going to come in here and click SIM multi-carrier, and then we click scan again, and then we're going to take a picture of that picture, and we'll see myself. Once we take that picture, we're going to go ahead and it'll put in the serial number. If you have to manually type it, just make sure you really carefully double check the digits that are on there and make sure everything is exactly the way it is. And then we click register, and then it's going to add it to your plan here. So we here now have a SIM card serial number, which is the ICCID, and we have the drone that it's attached to. We go to service plans, and we add a data 4G pay-as-you-go, and it's going to ask you to also add an activation fee. So we click add to cart, and we now go to checkout. This is going to give us the you have to have the activation fee and the data pay-as-you-go. This is just a small amount. It's actually what it costs per month for the data plan. This will only bill you at the end of the month, actually. So you're going to pay this really quickly, and then that'll start the process. So you go to checkout, you add your card here, and then once that's set up, we can go ahead and if you have links set up or other things, you can go ahead and pay for that. Once that's set up, you can click pay now, and it'll automatically activate that card. We have to do this for every single card that we have. So if you have 3 cards or 3 devices, such as an XRTK7, a P150 Max, or an SRC5, they all have SIM cards and they all have serial numbers. So you need to add each one of those to your registered devices, and then when you're done, you're able to go to my account, and you'll see your registered devices here, and you'll be able to see all of those registered devices, and then your service plans will be underneath here, and there'll be a button here for services, and you can click and check on those, and it'll tell you how many megabytes you've used on those cards and all that kind of information. Also, you can shut off the subscription there, or just make sure that it's set properly. So that's where all that information will be at. So that's how you go ahead and set up your SIM card.